What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STP Diesel, and here we go again with another quick shop action episode. And today I got a badass little 6.7 Powerstroke behind me, single cab dually. If you guys know us, y'all know we love single cabs around here. So every time we get one to work on, it just puts that extra smile on our face. So client with this truck called us, says, hey, I'm losing some power. I haven't had her checked out properly. I want you guys to verify that. I also got some oil leaks, but then I want you guys to do y'all's famous multi-point inspection. Let me know what's going on behind the scenes with my little rig. I said, say less, bring that bad boy by, and here we are. So once we got her all checked out, we did find that she was losing a little bit of fuel pressure, but she had oil leaks from everywhere on this thing. Valve covers, upper oil pans, front cover, you name it. Now, along with the repairs, the client wanted to do some goodies, and lo and behold, behind us we got a fresh DCR kit from S&S. We have a badass KC turbo right here, and then we have a piping kit from our guys at No Limit Fabrication. Let's check out what the under truck looks like on this bad boy. There we have it right here. You can see we got the upper oil pan out, and we are doing a bunch of prepping on this bad boy. This thing was leaking really bad. You can see all the under leaks from that valve cover right there, and from this side also right there. But look at this, this thing has been leaking for quite a while. These things make quite a mess sometimes. Sometimes we spend more time prepping and cleaning than actually doing the repair, but that's part of the process. We cannot rush this. We just got to take our time and do the job properly. But there you have it right there. This is what the under hood of the truck looks like. Here we go. This is the 6.7 liter Powerstroke upper oil pan. This one right here is the 11 through 14. You can always tell because it's got the grooves for the gasket that goes all the way around. For whatever reason, Ford is not making them like this anymore, but those that have these are extremely lucky. Over here in this box, let's see what kind of no stuff is in here. Just a quick little sneak peek. Let's see. Woo, baby, that's all you're gonna get. Nice little tan, that little blue and tan color combo on this bad boy. Let's move on here. Once we had the front cover off of this bad boy, we did determine that the base oil pump had a bunch of wear and tear on it, and we just did not feel comfortable having the client go back together with it. So we sent them pictures and videos of what we found so that he can have proof and evidence of it, and the client made the wise decision to go ahead and have it replaced with a new one. We got the new water pump on there right there. We have the DCR pump already ready to roll, and we have the famous KC turbo right there. So this bad boy is gonna be rocking and rolling. Once again, thank you guys for all the love and support. We love all the love that we get, man. It's truly a blessing. If you guys have any questions on any of the products that we feature here, or if you want to have anything done to your little diesel truck, always give us a call at the office or hit us up on social media. We love chatting with you guys, and we are here to help. Thank you guys. Peace.